बच्चे मन के सच्चे, सारे जग की आंख के तारे, बच्चे मन के सच्चे. Happy Children's Day. Hi, I'm Lopa Mudra. I'm a career growth coach and a communication expert. In this video, I'm going to share with you the 9 best learnings from a small kid on a special occasion of Children's Day. Number 1, confidence level. Whenever we are taking a child, when we are seeing a child, his or her confidence level is at the peak. They don't ever have any fear of doing anything. That is the reason they come out with very productive work. But gradually, when we are growing older, our confidence level is going down like this. So don't ever do that. Follow a child and be more confident. Number 2, focus. If you'll observe a child, whenever he or she is doing something, he or she will be focused only into that particular work. He or she is not trying to be multitasker. But whenever we are going old, somehow nowadays we are very proud to say we are multitaskers, and together we are trying to do many things. So as a whole, we are concluding doing nothing. So better to focus on one thing and excel in that. Number 3, never give up attitude. If you'll again see a child, the work he or she is doing, probably he is not getting success in that, but continuously he or she is putting effort, and in a flow of time he or she is getting that success. So they are not at all in a give up attitude. But when we are getting older, if something we are trying for the first time or second time or maximum third time it is not happening, we are giving up the thing then and there itself. So that is probably the reason behind not getting success that well. But if we will behave like a child and will not give up till the time we are not getting success, definitely we are going to get success. Number 4, determination. The child is always determined of his or her task. He has that determination very strong. That is the reason his or her personality is something different, amazing. So let's build up that determination within, so that we can also be like that child and get everything we want. Number 5, the convincing skill. If we will look at a child, if he or she wants something, he or she will convince you for that by hook or crook. Without getting that thing, he or she will not leave you. So let's have that attitude also. Let's convince our task if it is a positive thing. Let's convince for that, and let's develop our convincing skill as well. Number 6, no ego at all. Within a child, there is no ego. That is the reason he or she is a divine character. Let's build that divine character within us, so that we will be in a different level and nothing is impossible for us. Number 7, forgiveness. A child can forgive anyone, anybody like this. That is the reason of his or her peace of mind. He or she is not having depression, something which is going down in a mental situation. Nothing, no mental health problem. He or she is living happily. So let's develop that quality again within us. Number 8, expressing without hesitation. When a child is talking, he or she is not having any hesitation. He or she doesn't think what the other person will think about if I am going wrong. That is the reason he or she can express everything, and he or she is able to get the solution also immediately, where we are hesitating. So let's put that hesitation aside and express ourselves 100%. And 9, the best one, I like it. Remaining happy all the time. As a kid, the kid is happy all the time. He is not having lot of complaint. He is not remembering those things. He is not regretting. That is the reason he is enjoying his life to the fullest. He is in the present, and that is the best part of a human being. So let's develop that attitude also within. I'm sure you are finding all these 9 points very useful, and you are going to implement them. When we were kids, we have done all these things. So it's not actually difficult for us again to implement those things. So let's implement those things again. Let's bring that inner child out, and let's be successful again. If you want to get more such videos from me, please stay connected. Thank you so much for watching.